Okay, go ahead. Doo 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 doo. Oh, really?
Still got one in her mouth.
That little bitch. Where's Barracuda at? How come he ain't getting crazy? Oh, there he is up there. The little dude died already. Game over already.
He's feeling frisky.
All these little fucking things.
He sees them all, but he's seeing them in the reflection.
He's special.
Mm-hmm.
Safety in numbers. Safety in numbers.
For now. Where's the little guy?
I don't know. I'm getting boring.
You're normally attacking me.
I don't know. I don't get it.
Oh. Oh, turned around now.
Yes.
Oh, did you get that?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, that was a kill strike. Something stupid.
Yes, eat it up. Yes. Nope. Tail, little tail in his mouth. Fucking bala sharks just like turko turko.
I know.
How come the other fucking Oscar is not coming out so retarded?
Look how tiny that one is.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me you couldn't eat
Your
that
perfection bait
motherfucker
right
in a
there.
heartbeat. I would love to see the bala shark do something.
No retard right there.
Oh, dude, just straight got a gut.
Mm-hmm. Insta fat.
He'll get him another probably. That's a big one though.
Trying to zoom in, I didn't zoom in.
No, once you start, you won't.
Jingle. Bitch is back there. You back there, bitch. I'll quit it for now.